Hi, to enable and disable hold to start SOS call on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to find and open settings on the phone first, and here start scrolling down till you can see this section emergency SOS. So, to enable hold to start SOS call feature, you need to just toggle on the switch by tapping it like this, so it will be green. And now you can hold side button and volume down buttons at the same time. Ignore this menu, continue holding, and keep holding to immediately trigger emergency services. Or you can just hold it like that, and from here, slide right to call emergency services. If you want to turn it off, then toggle off the switch like this. Additionally, you can trigger emergency services with the help of pressing side button 5 times. For that, tap on the switch so it will light up green. Now you can press side button 5 times right here and call emergency services. To disable, just tap this feature again. And additionally, you can do the same with call after severe crash. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.